For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Want perfect pizzas every time? Meet the 14-inch double-deck commercial pizza oven. I've tried a lot of ovens, but this 14-inch double-deck commercial pizza oven quickly became my favorite. Whether you're baking at home or running a small business, it lets you cook 2 pizzas at once, roast casseroles, or even bake bread without worrying about uneven results. Precision heat control. Each deck has separate temperature knobs, so you can control the top and bottom elements independently. I once baked cookies on the top while cooking a pizza below, and both came out perfectly golden. With a max temperature of 662 degrees Fahrenheit, it's ready for everything from soft pastries to crispy pizzas. Even cooking every time. The U-shaped heating tubes provide 360 degrees heat. From my experience, dishes bake evenly in just 15 to 20 minutes. No more guessing if the crust is done or the cheese is melted. The results are consistent. Spacious and durable. The double-deck design lets you cook more in less time. I hosted a pizza night and baked 2 14-inch pizzas plus bread rolls simultaneously. Built from stainless steel with cool touch handles and non-slip feet, it's safe, sturdy, and easy to clean. Versatile and easy to use. It comes with pizza stones, shelves, and a timer that shuts off automatically. I've used it for everything from pizzas to casseroles, and it always delivers reliable results. Upgrade your cooking game today. This oven makes restaurant-quality results simple and stress-free, whether for family nights or a small business.